Hey guys, showing you this small space, table can be used for the books, cups, or anything for the small space where need something small. So as you can see, this have this manual. This is a marble piece for the base, and it's pure marble. These are all the parts. This is the top. So this is not marble, but it's a marble design. So I will just take out all the parts and then show you the assembly as well. So these are all the parts, and it says like what are included in it. So just me open like all these tools and the screws so I can put it there. So two different Allen key, all the connectors and the screws here. So everything is explained on the manual. So this manual is really very nice and helpful. So the eye and everything, all the parts that you have to put in here. Assembly is pretty straightforward once you understand all the parts based on the manual, that which screw is what number or the part, and then just include it here. Or this video can of course help you to install this. So once this is installed, you can see the top part. So there are 3 screws that will go here. And then for the base, you have to use this way, I think. So this is a stable base, and these are the foam pads. They asked to put 3. I'm putting all 4 just to have a better 4-corner base. So this looks really nice, and the small factor here. So this base will go in the down, so it needs a small space. Then on the top is a big space. These are the sizes mentioned in the corner and the height. So it looks really nice and stable. So you can see, hopefully this is helpful to you as well.